I saw this post. I saw Dave 2D posted about this. He's a big laptop guy. You know Dave. He loves the laptop.
Likes to take them apart.
Yeah, he loves the laptop.
Yeah.
Far as I can tell. Head over to his channel. So I saw him tweet out about this kind of quiet update to the 16-inch MacBook Pro. It got a hot new GPU. Hot new GPU. I said it twice. That's how hot it is.
Like hot as
No, it's not
heat,
hot like that.
or-
Hot like it can do stuff.
Okay.
Particularly in the creative fields
Right.
of the video editing and the whatnot. So you might be interested.
Mhm.
It's apparently this new GPU 75% faster. That's a big jump.
Oh yeah.
75. You'll take that. Coming via Ars Technica. This morning, Apple quietly added a third discrete GPU configuration option for the 16-inch MacBook Pro. Of course, the 16-inch MacBook Pro, it's their, they want to sell it to you. They don't want you buying these Mac Pros. What are you doing?
Mm-hmm.
They think the whole world, that's why they hardly ever update the Mac Pro. They think the whole world can get all their work done on the Mac Pro. Of course, I'm speculating, but I'm betting with this new GPU, probably the laptop is going to outperform many configurations on the big giant desktop because it's got this fast video memory, HBM2 video memory, which in Final Cut, it's all the optimizations, stabilization effects, and the export. HBM2, baby.
When hardware meets software.
A love
Is that what
story.
they say? Yeah.
It's like it's a
marriage.
rom-com.
It's funny.
That's right.
Oh, okay.
When hardware meets software. Well, let's be honest. Those rom-coms aren't really funny. If you're laughing at that, I feel bad for you. Mostly about the romance, Will. That's why you're there.
Oh yeah. Hot and heavy.
I mean, I'll never forget the rom-com you participated in across the street.
Can you not talk about that?
I'll never forget it.
Right.
It's burned into my mind.
Well, nothing happened.
Because Otis might not be here right now if it wasn't for that rom-com. So
Let's get back into this.
I'm just saying, Okay, 75% faster than the stock Radeon Pro 5500M, which has 4 gigabytes of GDDR6. It's an expensive upgrade. If you go for this thing, what are you looking at? It's if you want to get this GPU, the bare minimum MacBook Pro configuration is going to be $3,200. Bare minimum, if you just upgrade the GPU and keep everything else at the stock level for that configuration. So it's not going to be a cheap laptop, $3,000 plus. You better make use of it. I'll tell you what. You better be exporting clips and doing the chopping and the rest of it. But they put a graph down here just how much faster it is. And there's one thing this article has that I love. You can probably guess what it is, Will. It's the word teraflops. I love the word teraflops in reference to performance.
Yes.
Doesn't it just sound high performance when you start measuring things in teraflops?
No. It's quite powerful sounding.
I don't know what I'm calculating, but if I'm doing it in teraflops, I'm succeeding. Yeah, if it's so fast that we're measuring in teraflops, it's computational. We're cracking the code, or we're sequencing the genome. We're hacking the Pentagon. Of course, not actually. But we're doing it in teraflops. And a guy like you with your background, we don't need to get into it.
Yeah.
Mr. Teraflop, sometimes I like to call you sometimes. Anyway, so there's a faster 16-inch MacBook Pro. If you just bought one and you maxed it out, well, you're mad. And if you're in the market for one, you're going to want to look at this GPU if you can take advantage of it. So go check that out.